Did you know that a minute of squats burns 3 to 6 times more calories than a minute of running on the treadmill? And that's not all. It has a ton of other benefits as well. Squats can actually help to develop muscular mass, coordination, strength, and flexibility in addition to calorie burning. In a 2021 study in the Journal of Human Kinetics, they suggest that doing squats every day can provide your body with some amazing and surprising benefits and can ultimately change your life. Here's what will happen to your body if you do squats every day. Number 9. It builds muscles. Exercises like squats promote muscle building all across the body, not only in the legs. The anabolic environment produced by this strenuous activity encourages the production of hormones necessary for muscular growth. Squats bolster both lower and upper body power. Squats are a weight-bearing exercise. As Ryan Andrews, a qualified strength and conditioning consultant who writes for Precise Nutrition, explains, they engage muscles throughout the body and help train them for several tasks you conduct every day. From the time you get up in the morning until the time you lay down in your bed at night, these muscles support you. Squats primarily target the lower body, particularly the glutes and quads. Your knee position, namely bending them to a 90-degree angle, aids in properly activating these muscle groups. It's great for your whole body, so don't skip out on the squats the next time you're at the gym. Number 8. It shapes your butt and abs. So many of us attempt to increase the size of our butts. Squats are one activity that springs to mind to assist us accomplish this. Squats are excellent for building strong thighs, calves, glutes, and hamstrings. Squats are an activity you should include in your program if you desire a bigger or more toned bum. It works a lot of muscles and serves a variety of purposes. Squats will strengthen and enlarge your butt without straining your back. Your legs and abs will also get tighter and more toned. Squats will help you develop muscle and control your blood sugar also. The glute muscles must be developed if you want to increase the size of your butt. The largest of the 3 gluteal muscles and the primary extensor of the hip region is the gluteus maximus. Squats will help you build muscles in your hips and glutes, giving you a peach-shaped booty. Depending on the form and strength of your butt, this exercise will have an effect. Number 7. It burns fat. Squats encourage your body to produce more anabolic hormones since they train multiple muscle groups at once. These are the hormones that assist in fat loss. A small 2014 study specifically compared the leg press, an exercise machine with added weight, to squats, a free weight exercise. While the same large muscle groups are worked by both exercises, the researchers found that the body's reaction was different when they performed them at comparable intensities. Squats in particular activated more muscles than leg presses, and they also caused a greater hormonal and physiological response. Squats can be a crucial component of any effective weight loss program. Strength training on a regular basis can help you burn more calories and reduce body fat. In fact, a 2013 study that examined the health advantages of an 8-week bodyweight squat regimen discovered that doing squats reduced participants' body fat percentage and boosted their lean body mass. As you can see, squats have amazing benefits to your body. Are you thinking about adding them to your workout plan or even your daily routine? If you're still not convinced, don't worry and keep watching. There's more to come. Now let's move on to number 6. It prevents injuries. Squats are a powerful exercise that may also help lower your risk of knee and ankle injuries. This is due to the exercise's ability to strengthen the tendons, bones, and ligaments surrounding your leg muscles. It can also help relieve some of the strain on your knees and ankles. Squats are also really frequently used therapeutically to address ankle instability. However, using appropriate form when performing squats is the only way to prevent injuries. This is very important, guys. According to a 2013 assessment on form, doing shallow, incorrectly executed squats that don't fully bend the knees to a 90-degree angle can eventually cause degeneration in the knees and lower back or lumbar spine. Therefore, it's crucial to use good squat technique to avoid injuries and prevent future ones. Number 5. It increases bone mineral density. Squats can actually make your bones stronger. Research shows that squats assist your bones as well as your muscles. According to Timothy Sushamal, a professor at East Tennessee State University, squats may also aid in boosting bone mineral density, which can strengthen your skeleton, especially the bones in your lower body and spine. And we all know that bone strength increases the body's resistance to harm. In his 2013 study, postmenopausal women with osteoporosis or osteopenia, conditions that result in low bone density, were found to have improved skeletal health and bone mineral content after completing a 12-week squat regimen. According to the research, daily squats and strength training can help with osteoporosis prevention and overall health. Number 4. It improves posture. Want to appear taller and have a straight back? Squats can help with this. In order to counteract the amount of sitting we do and to help prevent injury, good posture is very crucial. Your posture can improve since squats encourage a stronger core and a stronger lower body. In general, squatting is beneficial for strengthening your core, especially through your spinal erectors, which aids in spine extension. This alone, if you're executing squats with good form, can eventually help you improve your posture. However, some squat variations, particularly those that call for a torso position that is more upright, such as overhead squats or front squats, can also assist strengthen the shoulders and upper back, which can further improve posture. According to Healthline, a trusted medical news outlet, the overhead squat is excellent for strengthening the shoulders, arms, and upper back in addition to the legs and lower back. I say it's time to squat down and straighten our backs. Number 3. It helps you jump higher and run faster. Athletes will likely get more from this one. If you want to set a PR by running faster or jumping higher, start doing squats today. Squats are a fantastic exercise in and of themselves, but they can also improve your performance in other sports. Squats increase your power foundation since they put a special emphasis on strengthening your lower body. After all, more power comes from stronger muscles. In a 2011 study published by the National Library of Medicine, discovered that soccer players' short sprint performance improved when they performed squat workouts daily. The findings imply that the power generated during the squat exercises aided in the enhancement of their fast-twitch muscle fibers and their athletic speed. Want to also lose weight? I'll explain and we'll get right into that. As you can see, the benefits are endless, but just hold on, there are more. The last two might just surprise you, because number 2, squats boost your metabolism. Squats will help you shed inches off your waistline and pounds from your scale. There are many ways that squats can increase your metabolism. In the beginning, whenever you exercise, the bigger the muscle groups you employ, the more calories you'll burn. Since muscle is a metabolic tissue, using large muscle groups like the glutes, hamstrings, and quads will result in a greater metabolic boost than working out with smaller muscles. Second of all, when your muscle mass increases, you'll feel stronger and be able to lift bigger objects or hike farther. Gaining muscle through resistance exercise means you can do more, work out harder, and walk steeper trails, all of which will boost the number of calories expended, according to Marie Spano, a strength coach and certified nutritionist. Finally, working on major muscle groups and increasing your overall muscle mass will allow you to increase your metabolism constantly. According to K. Alicia Fetter's explanation in her Self magazine article, a pound of muscle burns roughly 6 calories every day, compared to a pound of fat, which burns about 2. Although that doesn't sound like much, the additional calories start to pile up as you build muscle and shed fat. So doing daily squats will help you shed those hard to lose pounds. And lastly, for number 1, squats improve balance and mobility. Wobbly legs are a problem. We don't want to be falling down in public because our knees gave in. That's pretty embarrassing, right? That's why strong legs become more crucial as you age for maintaining balance and mobility. Your legs will become stronger as a result of squats. Squats will also strengthen the connection between your brain and muscles by working your core and stabilizing muscles. This will aid in keeping balance and preventing falls, especially at an older age. Squats are a great exercise to incorporate into your routine because they strengthen the muscles we use to get from sitting to standing, making it easier to bend over to pick up objects. They also make simple tasks like ascending stairs less difficult. So, which of these 9 reasons convinced you to start doing squats daily? Which of these were the most surprising to you? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If this video was a hit for you, oh, I'm sure you love the next one. Thanks for sticking until the end, and we'll see you in the next video.